Happy Friday, everybody. I hope you're all doing well. I got in a massive BoxyCharm pop-up package today. I'm really embarrassed, but I made 4 orders. I got 1 order separate, and then the other 3 orders were sent to me in a second box. So I waited until I had everything in, and this is what I purchased. So I actually like the pop-ups a lot more than the BoxyCharm boxes themselves. I think there's a bigger savings here, and you get to choose what you want exactly. I don't know what you guys think, let me know. But yeah, I thought this one was really, really good. So I'll just go through the items really quickly, give you some swatches of some of the more color items, and tell you the price that I purchased it for versus the retail price, so you can get a better idea of what the pop-ups are like if you haven't tried them already. So let's start over here. This is kind of more of the hygiene section. I got my husband, first off, I saw that they had, really nice that they had some men's items this time around. I saw that they had these Spongelle men's triple butter supreme buffer soap loofah type things. And this is what they look like over here. They're pretty thick. It's should be interesting. Gives you 28 washes, and I couldn't decide which scent, so I got him both, and they both smell pretty good. And that was $4 each, and they usually retail for $16 each on the Spongelle website, so that seems like a pretty good deal. I also got myself one. This one is Moonflower scented, and here it is over here. And that was $4 as well, and it goes for $16 on the Spongelle website. That smells really nice. If you like perfume scents, you'll like this one. If you're not too big on scented body care or face care, you probably would want to steer clear from these. But yeah, so those were $4 each. Then I picked up these 3 Briogio products. I was really excited to see them on the site. This is the Briogio Farewell Frizz Smoothing Shampoo, and it's the full size. I purchased this for $6 at the pop-up, and it goes for $24 regularly. The next item I got is the Farewell Frizz Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. Full size again, got it for $6, and that retails for $20 on Sephora's website. I also, as a desperate attempt to tame my curls, I purchased another curl related item. Hopefully this one works, not like the others. Briogio Curl Charisma Chia and Flaxseed Curl Custard. So that should, Coil Custard. That should be interesting to try. I'm looking forward to trying that out. That was $6, and it retails for $26 on the Sephora website. So all 3 of those items for less than what you would have purchased maybe one of them for. Thought that was pretty good. This item was the gold ticket. I was so excited to see this on the pop-up site. It was still pricey. It's definitely not $6 like some of the other items, but it's the Sunday Riley Good Genes all-in-one lactic acid treatment. This is the 1.7 ounce bottle. Here, I'll show you here. And that was $49 on the pop-up site for BoxyCharm, but this retails, the 1.7 ounce retails on Sephora's website for $122. I've tried this product before. I really, really like it, but I just couldn't bite the bullet with the price tag. But when I saw it on the pop-up for $49, I just couldn't pass it up. So that is that. It comes in a really nice box too, not that that matters. So, okay, so those are kind of the self-care hygienic items. Let's move on to the fun stuff, the makeup. I got this Luxie for 4-piece brush set, and this retails on Luxie's website for $60. They do usually have sales, so I've seen this down to like $45 to $30, but on the pop-up for BoxyCharm, it was $18, I believe. And these are really, if you could see my hand here, these are pretty big brushes, and really nicely made. They have that rose gold ferrule there, really pretty. Moving on, I'll go up here, some lip products. I got the Kaja Airheart lipsticks. Let's see what the shade is. This is in the shade Sweetheart 01. It's a really pretty soft velvety shade. Doesn't dry my lips out at all. You'll see it there. It's not the top one. That's a lip liner I'm going to show you, but it is the second one down. And it's got a really nice, beautiful, opaque pigmentation. Goes on smoothly. Soft, kind of almost one shade lighter than my lip color, which makes a nice nude pink shade on my lips. I really like it. I like it a lot more than I thought I would. Oh, finally it focused. Okay. There we go. So I'll show you exactly what it looks like on the inside. So cute. Oh, I'm just a sucker for that. It's like little girl makeup, but for grown-up women. It's too good. So, okay, moving on. I've got the Jouer Long Wear Lip Liner, and this is in the shade, what shade are we in here? Pink Champagne Shimmer. Can you see? Yeah, Pink Champagne Shimmer. And there it is right there. And that is the top item right here. You can see it has like a nice soft metallic finish, I would say. It's not too sparkly on the lips, but it's really pretty. I like putting it under lipstick because then it gives just a little bit of, God, it's not focusing. I'm sorry, guys. There we go. Gives a little bit of shine to the lips without being glossy. And that color is really nice. It'll go really well with that Kaja lipstick as well. I don't think I said how much the Kaja lipstick was. It was $6 on the pop-up, and it's $17 originally. And then the Jouer lip liner was $6 on the pop-up and $16 on the Jouer website. So you're seeing a pattern there. It looks like $6. The only one that was kind of the outlier is this Good Jeans, which is understandable. Next lip products that I got, these are some of my favorite lip balms ever, lip products ever. These are the Milk Kush lip balms. And I got one in the shade Green Dragon, and then the other one is in the shade, oh, I forget what it's called. Let's see. Bubble. And these have really beautiful, first of all, just magnetic, hopefully you guys can see this. Let me show you. Magnetic packaging, which, whatever, but I am a sucker for magnetic packaging. And so I got that in the shade Bubble and Green Dragon. Green Dragon is really just, it shows up green in the tube, but it is just a clear, I don't know if you can see that. So this will be a better way to show it. Bubble is this one right here, the one below the Kaja lip butter, so the third one down. And then you can't see Green Dragon because it's just like a clear lip balm, but they're really luscious. I love how they feel on the lips, and they're super moisturizing. They have kind of like an herbal minty scent, which I really like as well. And if you guys have the other Kush lip balms in different colors, I wanted to show you what Bubble looked like compared to two of the other colors. And that is, so there's Bubble, and then to the right of Bubble in a smaller little swatch, I have Catatonic, and then the one below that is Nug, N-U-G. So similar, but they all have different kind of tones. Some are warmer, some are a little bit, looks like Catatonic is a little bit richer than Bubble. Bubble has a little bit of a sheerer pigmentation, and then you've got a warmer tone with Nug. And then again, clear is the Green Dragon. So yeah, so I got a couple more of those. I think I have like 5 of those now in my collection, which is kind of crazy, but I'll always need a lip balm. And then I got the Viseart Petit Pro 3 palette. I was very excited to get this. This was $12 on the pop-up, and it retails for $30. I don't love it, you guys. I don't know. I'll have to try the full-size Viseart at some point, but here it is. It's real small, which is fine. I actually really like small palettes, but I don't know. They're just nothing special. The shimmers aren't great. Here they are, I'll show you. So you can't really see that top shade on my skin, but it's that pink, really soft pink color. Those top 3 are matte shades. Actually, sorry, those top 4 are matte shades. And then the bottom 4 are shimmer with a little bit of sparkle in them. So yeah, those are the those are the 8 shades that come in the palette. For, what did I pay again? For $12? It's okay, but if I paid $30, I'd be pissed. Anyway, so yeah, I don't know. I may give that to a friend. We'll see. I'll try it out later. And then moving on, I got this Rosie Jane. Let me lift this up so you can see it better. By Rosie Jane perfume. And I've seen this around online quite a bit, and this is in the scent Angie. Apparently it has, I think it said jasmine, gardenia, and a few other scents in it. It's really lovely. I like it a lot. This retails for $60 though, which I didn't realize. That's kind of expensive, but I ended up getting it for, what did I get it for? I have a little notebook in front of me. I got this for, I want to say $12. Yeah, I got it for $12. Oh, and it retails for $65. So that's that. I like it a lot. I just think for $65, I probably wouldn't purchase it. But yeah, no, it smells really, really nice. If you like florals, like soft, feminine florals, warm, soft, feminine florals, not fresh, but warm, then you'd really like this scent. I'm glad I got it. And then I think last 2 items, I swear. I know this is such a big haul. I can't believe I went so hard this time. This is the Marc Jacobs Omega Shadow Single. And this is in the shade 510 Primo. This is stunning. I may end up using this actually as just a highlight on the skin. If you can see, there's absolutely, the camera's not doing it justice, but there's absolutely no glitter in here, and it's just pure sheen, beautiful, soft, wet looking skin. So, so pretty. And it doesn't have a lot of base pigment. Here, I'll show you on my arm here. Doesn't show that well. I'll show you here again. Not a lot of base pigment, so it really does come off as just kind of clear, but with a lot of sheen to it. Comes with a nice little mirror there. So, so pretty. So this on the pop-up was $12 and it retails for $29 usually, which is a lot of money, but the formula is gorgeous. And honestly, I would pay the $30 for this over this if I was paying full retail price. I really, really like this item. And again, that's in the shade Primo, which is a really nice soft champagne color. I think it would look beautiful on any skin tone as well because it doesn't have much of a base pigment to it. Yeah, and then I got a little treat. I've seen Dr. Dre here on YouTube talk a lot about for Sigmatic, these mushroom chai latte mixes. So I thought I'd pick up a box of that. It was on the pop-up for sale for $6 and it retails for $16. And apparently this is a mushroom chai latte mix, and it has turkey tail, which I'm praying is an herb or something and not actual turkey tail. And it also has, what else does this say? And reishi, which I think is a mushroom, type of mushroom. There's 10 packets in here. And again, I got it for $6. So tomorrow morning I will try that, sit out on the patio and relax and enjoy it. Yeah, so this was a really long video. I'm sorry, you guys, but I got these items. I spent way too much money, but a lot less money than I would have if I did the retail value. And yeah, I really, really enjoy these products. I'm super excited to get my hands on them, try them a little more. And I hope you guys enjoyed the pop-up as well. And if you didn't participate this time, don't worry, there's gonna be plenty more. I'd love to know what you guys got. Let me know what you think of your items. And if you tried any of these items, let me know too if you like them. And other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.